Okay. Alright, so basically, let's sum up everything. I just made a purchase to make sure I owned every fucking John McGovern ringtone, because they are the fucking most hilarious thing. I'm going to play them all for you. Not from my cell phone, from the computer, because I'm actually going to put my cell phone on the vibrator, so that, you won't hear every text message coming in. Okay. Alrighty, so let's play them. Woohoo. Starting at the top of the list.
Go to a locker room, do some weight training, dude, it would be real hot if you join the army. Soccer practice. Soccer practice.
Next.
Hey dude, I was thinking,
this is like the remix version.
Something dirty, yeah. Hey dude, I was thinking we could go do something dirty, yeah. Listen, I like to do manly things, but I like, baby, to do them with you.
Oh yeah,
Looking cute and feeling cute. What you gotta do? Boy, let me tell you, you're gay. It's okay. It's a present from Jesus. Every day you get to have sex both ways.
Sorry. I know the rest of the song.
How do I do it? I keep it so sexy, they all wanna know how I keep it erected. I'm hot. Let's do another shot, bro. Hold my drink while I show you what I got. Boy, large like Charles in Charge. When I dance on the bar, they scream and applaud. They say, kid, how do you do it that way? I smile, and this is what I say. This is how you go, grab the tip of pole, bro. Then you dip it low and shake your dick. Making lots of cash, showing off my ass. Everybody wants that man.
Next, fun.
Coming to the club to make your body work. Don't stand up on the wall acting like a jerk. Taking off your shirt to make the fellas scream. Boy, your disco life is like a dream.
One of the people that makes it so I love BBWs. Oh, I love her. So kinky.
Don't run up with a homo. No, don't do it, lady. No. Now I know he does your hair, and you shopping everywhere, but it ain't gonna touch you down. They don't wanna look with a homo. No, don't do it, lady. No. Now I know he is your friend, and he loves you to the end, but it ain't gonna get you to the end. Oh, real tough, you hard, like a real stud. You know you want it, baby. Playing teen dreams with my own college team. Out of magazine.
You know I want it, Daddy.
I know you wanna get my Balenciaga all night talking on a bed of dollars. I know you wanna get my Balenciaga all night talking on a bed of dollars. I know you wanna get my Balenciaga all night talking on a bed of dollars. I know you wanna get my Balenciaga all night talking on a bed of dollars. Back to my hotel room, your face in my mussy, boom boom boom. Your face in my mussy, boom boom boom. Your face in my mussy, boom boom boom. My mussy's on fire.
You picked the wrong thing to fuck with. You picked the wrong queen, bitch. I'm here to let all my little fags know they got a daddy who's gonna take care of business, yeah. I'll be your dream boy. I'll make you crazy, boy. You'll never meet another boy like me. I'll be your lover under the covers. You will never meet another boy like you gave him daddy. Hey, little baby boy, put your visor on so we can. Yeah. Yeah. Little baby boy, hey, little baby boy, put your visor on so we can. Yeah. Yeah. Little baby boy.
Hey, this is Waffles, Mr. Erotical Beast 2007. I'm very sexy, and so are you. That's why someone's calling you on the phone right now. Yeah, oh, that's my stomach growling. Oh no, it's your phone.
Wagga wagga wagga, wagga wagga wagga. This is chocolate porter, girl. Your phone be wagging. Your phone is wagging, Missy. Girl, answer your phone. Wagga wagga wagga. That's a phone wagging, bitch.
I love chocolate pudding.
Hey, Chubb, answer the phone.
It's really not my job, Miss Spears.
Look here, parenting coach. Chubb, chunky, big ass, chunky face, big tits. I mean, you're thick. You're gigantic. You're fat. You're a tub of lard. A big one, like with butter, movie theater butter. Ring. Ring, this is Juju. The FAMP that's me from the keys. I'm big. I'm hot. I'm gigantic. I'm gonna rip you. Ooh, it's so good. So very big. Very big. Very big. Ooh, I'm feeling.
I didn't feel a thing.
Ooh.
No way to control it. It's totally sparkle magic whenever we're around.
Sparkle magic.
No way to control it. It's totally sparkle magic whenever we're around.
Sparkle magic. It's your gay pimp daddy. Answer the phone, sucker. Just kidding. Answer that phone, baby.
Hi, this is Linda James. Pick up your phone.
Uh-huh.
Hey, it's Straighty Martine, here to tell you your phone's ringing. You know how your phone rings? With science.
Nerd.
Dope.
Okay. Oh, God. Oh, man. Oh, God. Your phone's ringing. Your phone. Whoa. Whoa. I'll get it. Oh, God. Oh, man. Hammers and nails.
Okay, well there's my 25 latest ringtones, which I'm totally in love with. Oh my god. They are so fucking hilarious. I don't know how I'm gonna choose. Yeah, well, basically that. Love you all. Bye.